Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Henry. In this video, I'll share everything you need to know about Pelvic Floor Strong before you buy it. I also have some crucial warnings, so make sure you watch until the end to avoid losing your money. First and foremost, be careful where you purchase the product. Currently, Pelvic Floor Strong is only sold on the official website. To make it easier for you, I've included the official website link in the video description and the first comment below. I'm here in the corner of the screen to give you my review based on personal experience and help you determine if Pelvic Floor Strong really works. What is Pelvic Floor Strong? Pelvic Floor Strong is a unique workout program designed to strengthen your pelvic floor muscles, supporting your bladder, uterus, and bowels. This program features a scientifically backed pelvic floor repair method consisting of a 3-movement sequence aimed at healing the body. According to the creator, Alex Miller, these exercises are effective for everyone. Pelvic Floor Strong targets issues like Layer syndrome and diastasis recti. The exercises are designed to alleviate lower back and hip pain and improve posture through quick pec stretch variations. Additionally, the program helps reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. How does the Pelvic Floor Strong repair method work? The Pelvic Floor Strong program utilizes a 3-movement sequence supported by scientific research. The program includes detailed videos that guide you through the steps to heal your pelvic floor. The videos demonstrate the correct way to perform Kegel exercises to contract the pelvic floor muscles, preventing leakage when you cough or sneeze. The program also includes exercises like heel slides, marches, happy baby poses, and diaphragmatic breathing, all aimed at strengthening the abdominal canister, including the pelvic floor and core. Moreover, it addresses belly fat reduction, diastasis recti, lower back and hip pain, and posture correction. What's included in Pelvic Floor Strong? Pelvic Floor Strong is a step-by-step informational video program divided into several easy-to-follow chapters. Here are some highlights. Chapter 2 teaches the correct way to perform Kegel exercises to strengthen loose pelvic floor muscles. Chapter 3 details simple methods to engage your abdominals and strengthen your core, helping prevent leakage and flattening your belly. Chapter 4 explains how to adjust your stance to use 30% more muscle, boosting your metabolic rate and promoting weight loss. Chapter 6 reveals a 3-movement sequence to strengthen your abdominal canister, preventing leakages and vaginal bulging. Chapter 7 presents 3 easy steps to immediately stop leaking. These are just a few examples. The Pelvic Floor Strong program offers more chapters with additional valuable information. Who is the creator of Pelvic Floor Strong? Pelvic Floor Strong was created by Alex Miller, a fitness expert and pelvic floor specialist. She has helped hundreds of women heal their bodies through her expertise and has compiled these effective workouts into the Pelvic Floor Strong program. If you're considering Pelvic Floor Strong, this video will help you make an informed decision. Be sure to check the official website link below for more information and to make your purchase.